Today I will cover a game between Mikhail Tal and Garry Kasparov. This is a game from Moscow Blitz 1992. As the title suggests, this is actually the last game of Mikhail Tal. This game had been played 1 month before his death. This was the last game of his career. Before starting the game, I will show you the upcoming chess event. That is the Gold Money Asian Rapid. This is the 7th stage of Meltwater Champions Chess Tour. So this is a tournament of 16 players, including Magnus Carlsen, Dig Liren, Levon Arnian, Anish Giri, Wesley Shaw, Alireza Firouzja, Daniel Dubov. And in this tournament, we will definitely see a clash between Magnus Carlsen and Wesley Shaw. So probably everyone is waiting for that. And this tournament is starting from June 26, from tomorrow. So let's see what happens. Now let's check out this game. So Mikhail Tal with the white pieces opened with e4. Now we have c5 by Kasparov going for the Sicilian defense. We have knight to f3 and now d6. We have bishop to b5 check, and this is called the canal attack. Now we have knight to d7, just blocking, and now d4, striking in the center. We have knight to f6 and now castles by white. We have a6 now, just attacking the bishop. Here the most common move is just to capture the knight. So we have knight captures on d7 with check by Tal, and now knight captures on d7. We have knight to c3 and now e6. We have bishop to g5, just attacking the queen. Now we have queen to c7 and now rook to e1. She captures on d4, knight captures on d4, and now knight to e5. We have f4 now, just attacking the knight. h6, bishop to h4, and now g5. In this position, Tal played f captures on e5, so he captures the knight. We have f captures on e5. Now we have g captures on h4. We have e captures on d6, attacking the queen. Bishop captures, and now knight to d5. In this position, you can see Tal sacrifices his knight. This is probably his last Tal move. Sorry, this was his last Tal move. He played knight to d5. He sacrifices his knight. We have e captures on d5, and now e captures on d5 with check. We have king to f8 and now queen to f3. And after this move, queen to f3, this was a blitz game. So after this move, queen to e3, Garry Kasparov lost on time. So his time ran out, so he lost this game. But in this position, Engine actually does not like knight to d5 move, but this is a blitz game and anything can happen. So Mikhail Tal played knight to d5, e captures d5, e captures on d5 with check, with a discovered check from the rook. So we have king to f8 and now queen to f3, and in this position his time ran out, so Garry Kasparov lost this game. But this is actually a better position for black, because black can play h3 after g captures on h3, or you can also consider this move knight to, after this move you can also consider this move knight to e6 with check. Just also this also comes with attack on the queen. Now bishop captures, d captures on e6, h captures on g2, king captures, rook to g2 with check, king to h1, and the game continues. For the moment, this pawn is protected by the queen, and Engine prefers black here, but this is a blitz game. So in this game, the last move was queen to f3, and in this position this game was ended. So that was the game. This is the last game of his career. And this game had been played 1 month before his death, and this greatest attacking genius Mikhail Tal died on 28 June 1992 at the age of 55. So that was a game. From tomorrow this tournament is starting. I'll cover some games from this tournament. So that was the game. So I hope you enjoyed that one. So stay tuned for more updates and thank you for watching.